Hey guys, this is Luis with Furnace Solutions again, and today I'm working on this space that I'm gonna be using to record videos. And I have this white wall behind me. I'm gonna put a logo there. It's gonna be our logo. We already have it ready to go. But I wanted to show you how to install wall graphics. Sometimes we have customers that order wall graphics and they ask us how they can install them themselves. And I think this video will be perfect to show you that it's super easy. You just need some painter's tape, and if you don't have a squeegee, maybe a driver license or a credit card to squeegee out the air. And it takes about 5 minutes, so don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you how to do it, and hopefully next time if you have some questions you can use this video to do it yourself, right? So this part here is gonna be done already for you. You don't have to worry about it. I just wanted to show you how we do it. But when you order your wall graphics, this is gonna be done already. It's gonna have the transfer tape and it's gonna be ready to be applied on the wall that you want. This is a transfer tape. This is what we use to transfer the graphic from the liner to the wall. Here we're measuring the center of the graphic so we can match that to the center of the wall. Next, we'll put a piece of tape at the center of the graphic so we can use that as a hinge when we install the graphic onto the wall. Once we have the graphic level and center like we want it, first we need to start removing the liner, and we're gonna do that from the left side all the way to the center where we have the tape. When we get to that center, we're gonna remove that backing with a knife and start applying that side to the wall. Once you're done with one side, now you can remove the tape on the center of the graphic and do the same process on the other side. Once you have gone over the whole graphic with the squeegee, now you can start removing the transfer tape. So that's it, that's the sign. Real easy. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.